Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can clear cache on the Snapchat. So because when you will clear your cache on the Snapchat, your Snapchat runs very smoothly and optimally. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at top left corner. Click on it and then click on setting options at top right corner and then scroll down the page and you will see clear cache options. Click on it and then you will see all of your clear cache will be cleared. So click on continue. So in this way you can clear cache on the Snapchat. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.